Hello traders, today we will talk about CIRTEK, or which has a ticker name of TEK. So why does TEK is up for 35% just in this day? What are the effect of the news about CIRTEK and about the analyst estimate or the earnings estimate of the analyst for Q4 for CIRTEK? And what is the trading plan for tomorrow? So watch until the end of this video for you to be updated with the news about CIRTEK. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell button so you will be always get the latest content that I make for you to be equipped with the latest market happening. So kanina nag-post ako about kay CIRTEK. So I bought CIRTEK at 8 pesos. So later when we do the charting or the technical analysis part, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano natin na-spot ang 8 pesos per level. But for now, we talk about CIRTEK. So kung titingnan nyo si CIRTEK, in just half month pa lang ng January, CIRTEK is about up for almost like 100% na, diba? So this is the best performing stock as of today. So hindi pa natatapos ang 2020 kung nabili mo siya at the very low, meron ka ng 130%. And CIRTEK is a company based in abroad, which is a tech company. So technically, since CIRTEK is a company based in abroad, so affected siya doon sa US-China trade war na nagkaroon ng updates, 'di ba? Nung kamakailan lang na the phase 1 about the US-China trade war talk is positive. So ang mga stocks ng US doon is nagrally. So of course, nadamay din ang Pilipinas. But the sad news for CIRTEK is that Q3 or the third quarter of CIRTEK is not that good because it is down by about negative 61.94% in net income growth. But analysts estimate that CIRTEK will having a good Q4. So bakit? Because of the huge demand for the antenna for AT&T and Horizon, which is CIRTEK's biggest client. So another impediments for CIRTEK. So kung pupunta kayo sa brokers ninyo, kung pupunta kayo sa brokers nyo, type nyo lang yung tech, quote ninyo, then click the news, 'di ba? So CIRTEK has a penalty imposed by the PSE for disclosure rules violation. So click nyo lang ito para makita ninyo at mabasa ninyo. So ayan, so kung makikita ninyo, there is a news disclosure na nilabas noong January 14 wherein CIRTEK was fined because of disclosure violation, katulad ng inaccurate disclosure of the transaction involving tech shares and its subsidiary, delayed and non-disclosure of the transaction of tech shares by its subsidiary, non-disclosure of the changes in the indirect ownership of directors and principal officers, and lastly the transaction of directors or principal officers during the blackout period. So kung makikita nyo at mapapansin nyo on the chart perspective, January 14 nilabas ang penalty or ang news disclosure, bumagsak kagad si TEK. But it is also coincidence that na kaya siya bumagsak is because it is also near the 7.9 resistance level. So another news kung bakit tumaas si CIRTEK as of now is because CIRTEK Holdings Philippines Corporation, sinabi niya last Wednesday na yung company nila or its subsidiary has bagged a deal with the US chip maker which is they expected that they can generate a $3 million in annual revenue. So itong mga chipset na ito from US is ipapadala sa Laguna Technopart sa Binyan, Laguna, and they will assemble the chipset para maging 5G wireless system. So it is a very positive surprise. So ngayon, kung papansinin natin on chart perspective naman kung bakit ako pumasok at 8 pesos per share is because kung titingnan natin on a 3-minute chart, 'di ba? Tanggalin muna natin ito. So if you will observe in the 3 minutes chart, for the first couple of hours, walang nangyari sa stock na ito. Bumagsak pa nga lalo. So, if you will observe, hindi siya magandang i-trade. So, nag-bounce back lang ito, di ba? Kung sa daily chart, nag-bounce back lang to sa MA9, which is not very attractive for me to enter. Kasi iba ang setup ko pag bounce play. So, umangat siya. If you will observe on the daily chart, if you will observe on the daily chart, ayan, nag-bounce back siya, but I am expecting that it should break out the 7.9 or 8 pesos per share level because kung i-observe nyo siya, there's a form of pennant right here, di ba? So, kung familiar kayo sa pennant formation, alam nyo na pagka may breakout dyan, makakabili kayo. Pwede kayong bumili, pwede kayong mag-test buy. But on that breakout itself, hindi ako nakabili because parang inisip ko na on the first few hours, pabagsak si Tech. Tapos nung nakita ko siya sa gainers and losers, umarangkada na, but it is too late for me to catch up or humabol. So, hindi ako humabol. So, kung makikita ninyo, dito, banda rito na yun nung nakita ko, na-observe ko. But, hindi na ako humabol. So, ang ina-expect ko or iniisip ko is hahanap ako ng good entry, which is around, alam ko, 9.1, or bibili at the retracement. So, luckily, nag-retrace siya at 8 pesos. So, nakabili ako ng around 8.02 ata, which is eto na yon, lumabas na ito. So, bumili ako. Tapos, I set my trading plan and cut loss prices. So, nag-bounce back naman hanggang sa nagtuloy-tuloy na and it closes at 8.94. So, what is our trading plan for tomorrow? So, if you see, meron siyang minor resistance right here, diba? Which is nahirapan si CIRTEK na i-break, right? Ayan, no? Saktong-sakto siya dito, minor resistance, and another resistance will be at around 10.1. So ang trading plan for tomorrow is that ito pa isa, if ito pa yung nagdagdag sa conviction ko, which I buy the CIRTEK at the breakout of 8 pesos per share level is because of the breakout of MA100. So, nakalimutan ko lang, pero another factor din pala siya na tiningnan ko kanina, kaya it added me more conviction to buy at 8 pesos. So, tomorrow trading plan is that if CIRTEK opens below yesterday's open price, which is today, sell all at once. Or if it opens, diba, gap up or above the 8.94 level per share or 9 pesos level per share, but fails to hold this support, so benta na rin ako. Kasi there's no harm in taking profit, re-entry na lang kung talagang maganda. At least secured na ang profit. So, kung sakasakali nag-open, gap up, or nag-open above the resistance, hold lang. and next target prices would be 10.1, and siguro another target prices will be around here, diba? So you have another target price of around 10.7. So that's it for now. I hope you learned so much in this video kung bakit tumaas si CIRTEK, what are the factors, what are the news, and what is the plan or the trading plan kung bakit ako pumasok or to buy that shares, and what are the plan for me to sell that shares. So if you enjoyed this video, please like this video and comment down below kung ano pa yung mga gusto nyo matutunan, and I'll try to make a video out of it para sa inyo, for you to be equipped in learning and trading in the market. So God bless us all. See you next time.